Hi guys, to receive this dining chair for reviewing purposes, so let's take it out of the box. It comes really well protected. All the pieces comes with this foam, so it doesn't scratch or anything, which I think it's really nice. It comes with all the parts that you need in the assembly. These are the cushions, and it also has all the pieces that you need to assemble them. Okay, so I think it's nice. It seems really easy to assemble, so let's go ahead and um, do it right now. So come on. Okay guys, so as you can see, the installation process is actually really easy. It doesn't take that much long, and the instructions are really clear. And I like these chairs because they have a modern minimalist design that is perfect for anywhere you want to place it. In the bottom seat, it has some high quality soft foam that doesn't deforms easily, which I think is really nice, and it makes it a little bit more comfortable. And the sturdy metal frame can provide a nice support, and it's really sturdy, so it can get a lot of weight. Okay guys, as you can see, they are already assembled and I think they are really nice. They feel really cushioned and they are really comfortable. I think they have a nice, well, backrest which you can be really comfortable, and they are really soft. Okay, the material feels of an amazing quality, and because it's like leather, you can clean it up really easy and you don't have to worry that much. Okay, which I think is great. Some other thing that I find quite nice is that on the legs of the chair, it has some adjustable screws. So if it's not level, you can adjust and make it right, and anything that you want. Okay, I think they are really nice. They can be used anywhere you like, in your bedroom, even in your dining room like this, or wherever you need them. I think they're gonna be great. And overall, I like them a lot, and I will really recommend them. See you guys.